Nagaland is the hidden world of India. There are more than 16 tribes living there. Women have a lot of power in the market. Do you believe that Christmas is not a festival there, but a way of life it is in India? Nagaland is hidden in the mountains of northeast India.
Is it really India or is it a separate world?
The lifestyle of the people here, the social status of women, the style of the youth, the music and the food are completely different from other parts of India. Nagaland became the 16th state of India in 1900. But it is not just a travel destination with its history led by 1,000 years. It's an experience, a culture shock, a mind-blowing mystery. Nagaland is located in the northeast of India near the border with Myanmar. Its capital is Bokima and its largest city is Dimapur. The mountains and the clouds of the cows come together to create a dreamlike scene. This will be. Tusko Valley is known as the Flower Valley of the Northeast, and the experience of watching the sunrise here at Jafu Peak is one that will never be forgotten in a lifetime past. The mercies of present-day Nagaland were once proclaimed as Naga tribes and heroic warriors. Pond legacy animals, teeth, head hunts, these are their hallmarks. British arrival in the 19th century. Since then, Nagaland has become the most Krishna populated state in India. But the legacy has not disappeared. Every year, the Hornbill Festival is a colorful festival where all tribes come together. Renowned as India's supreme festival of festivals. Expanding modern urban landscapes. The business hub of the state of Dimapur is the airport here. The rail link is a growing startup culture, witness to the history of Ohima. The Kohima War Cemetery here is a memorial to World War II. Today's youth are Kita rap, music, Pai culture, tattoos. Nagaland is known as the rock capital of India, economy and innovation. Nagaland's economy is centered on agriculture. Mitakai rice production and industrial products are now young people starting to engage in digital industries. Online business, tourist guides and cultural arts. Women play an important role in the markets. They are self-fulfilled in business, women's social status and lifestyle. Equality for women in Nagaland society persists, yet men remain pivotal in traditional politics. Strong women lead and maintain families. Women develop modernity in dress, English fluency, global perspective, and embrace Naga food, smoky tobacco, and spicy pork bamboo shoots. Dried fish and very spicy king chili. Here food is a culture, a feast. Nightlife and youth in Nagaland are not like other states of India because of the Christian culture. Although alcohol clubs are restricted, young people celebrate nights through concerts, cultural markets, cafe culture. Nagaland is a bridge between India and Asia. A key component of the At East policy is exploring the critically significant Myanmar border trade opportunities, leveraging its geographic importance. Nagaland captivates with its remarkable cultural diversity, hosting over 16 distinct tribes, speaking more than 30 languages, and predominantly embracing Christianity among its population. Undoubtedly, you might already be familiar with these striking details. Nagaland transcends its identity as a mere state. It embodies stories of resilience and transformation. Warriors of the past shape today's cultural icons, mixing traditional bamboo homes with contemporary lifestyles such as iPhones. Within Nagaland lies invaluable lessons to be discovered. Even if there is a change, the identity should not be forgotten. Now that's the beautiful truth. Nagaland boasts linguistic adaptability, being one of the most English fluent regions in India. Here, English often takes precedence over Hindi, reflecting its unique disposition. To delve deep into India, Nagaland stands as one of its most globally resonant regions. As a visitor, you transition from tourism to becoming immersed in a rich cultural narrative. If this video piques your curiosity, perhaps you're ready to explore the tale of another hidden gem of India. On our future journeys, let's uncover another enigmatic slice of India. The southern reaches of Nagaland eagerly anticipate your arrival. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.